The journey through higher education is embarked upon with hope yet laden with unique challenges. Imagine a realm where academic pressures test not just your intellect but your resilience, where mental health demands recognition as part of the student experience, and the future's uncertainty transforms aspirations into daunting queries. This narrative does not merely identify obstacles but embarks on a quest to reveal the strategies, resources, and support systems pivotal in converting these challenges into milestones of growth and success. Join us on this transformative journey towards uncovering potential, fostering resilience, and navigating toward a future ripe with possibilities. Navigating through the complexities of higher education, we've encountered trials but now focus on solutions that illuminate our path. Academic support emerges not just as a resource, but a gateway to empowerment. Tutoring services, designed to elevate understanding, create bridges from confusion to clarity, embodying academic camaraderie. Study groups and online resources extend support, proving that collective efforts surpass individual endeavors. As we explore these avenues, we're not just overcoming obstacles but actualizing potential, ensuring that our journey is supported beyond academia, nurturing mental well-being, and setting the stage for future successes. Beyond academics, the essence of higher education intertwines with our holistic well-being. Counseling and wellness programs stand as pillars, guiding through stress and promoting balance. Peer support, embodying strength and empathy, reinforces our journey's communal nature. Success, thus, becomes a reflection not just of academic accomplishments but of mental and emotional fortitude. With a network of support spanning counseling to peers, we underscore a powerful message: you are not alone. Embracing these resources marks a step towards unlocking our fullest potential, preparing us for the chapters ahead. The future beckons with the promise of hope and opportunity, highlighted by the pivotal role of career services. Through personalized coaching and internships, students unlock a plethora of possibilities, bridging theory with practice. Networking events further weave the fabric of our professional journey, offering mentorships and friendships that transform career uncertainties into opportunities. As we delve into community engagement and collaboration, we unveil how pivotal experiences shape our journey toward success, marking the next step in our narrative of empowerment and achievement. Our exploration through higher education reveals the intricate dance between academic pressures, mental health resources, and the map to future careers. However, at its core, the narrative celebrates the power of community. Community involvement isn't just an extracurricular aspect but the foundation of success. As we reflect on our shared stories, we find inspiration and strength, proving that together, we can surmount any challenge. This journey's end marks a beginning, urging us to inspire, engage, and empower each other towards collective triumphs.